Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Back. Today we have a very direct and frequently asked theoretical question from transformers. The question is, write down two differences between a step-up transformer and a step-down transformer. Let's draw a comparison table to understand this perfectly. On the left side, we have the step-up transformer, and on the right, the step-down transformer. The first major difference is the number of turns. In a step-up transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is greater than the primary. That is, Ns is greater than Np. But in a step-down transformer, the secondary turns are less than the primary. Ns is less than Np. The second difference is regarding voltage. A step-up transformer naturally increases voltage, so the secondary voltage Vs is greater than the primary voltage Vp. Conversely, a step-down transformer decreases voltage, so Vs is less than Vp. Thirdly, let's look at the current. Remember the golden rule, if voltage goes up, current must come down. So, in a step-up transformer, the secondary current Is is less than the primary current Ip. In a step-down transformer, Is is greater than Ip. Finally, what about the thickness of the coils? Since the step-up secondary carries less current, its thickness is less than the primary. For a step-down transformer, the secondary carries more current, so its thickness must be greater. For your board exams, you only need to write down any two of these matching pairs. Pick the ones you find easiest to remember. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and happy learning.